Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, when you left, did you have this idea? I believe Red Hat was around at that time. So Red Hat was, Linux, open source, building a business around it. So did you have a fairly good idea based on Red Hat model, how Cloudera would look like as a company?
That's a very good question. So there's two ways I can answer the question. The arrogant way was, of course, I knew, and this was going to work, and everything was clear. But the truth of it is sometimes ignorance is bliss. So I didn't know how hard it is to monetize open source. So I thought it was just a good way of doing stuff. Now, I will give a lot of credit to my co-founder, Mike Olson. So Mike Olson, again, he was the founder of Sleepycat, which commercialized Berkeley Apache BDB, which was one of the main in-memory databases back then. And he was one of the very first companies that figured out how to monetize open source in a healthy, scalable way. He had learned a lot of lessons from that journey with Sleepycat that then he helped us at Cloudera to implement that as part of commercializing Hadoop, and it worked great. So if I look at our growth story with Cloudera and how quickly, within 2-3 years, we were very, very dominant in the market. When other companies doing it more in the closed way, they can take 7-8 years before they can establish a standard in the market. That a lot of credit for that goes towards the open source angle, but also Mike Olson bringing in the experience of doing that before.